Hello, my name is Calvert Mata. Today I'll be presenting my online business, which is a blog, the web page that I decided to do this blog, and the name of it is Carony Media. And I was going back and forth what was the best thing that I could do for a as a web business, and I decided to. I mean, I'm passionate about web development, and this is one of the things that I like to do. But I'm in the process of learning myself all the things that what actually web development involves, and I thought it was more straightforward, and I realized there's a lot of things that actually relates to the web development, and one of the things that I wanted to do is this, and use this blog post to teach a little bit what I was learning, because I realized one of the things that, for me, for myself, to be able to learn and get those things that I've been learning through the through BYU Idaho, be able to share those insights with the community. And one of the latest posts I just posted is this one for web development resources, and it's a little slow. Okay. One of the things I try to use is some paragraph and narrative, but also to capture some pictures, so things that people can get engaged and use, and in this post, and also, I mean, it's a whole thing related, not just to show people what is the best way to show, and for people to go and get engaged with the website, and also, at the end, because it's a business, it's not just a website. We wanted to get people to come and to enjoy the content, but also, like, I have here at the end, to see our product. I mean, with Amazon, I have affiliate marketing with Amazon, and while people are getting interested in learning about what actually is the web development and all these things that I'm kind of teaching or learning at the same time, in this blog, person can go and click on this um, affiliate advertisement and go directly through Amazon, and that's how I will get a commission from it if somebody buys his books, which are really good for development. And also, it's been great. It's been, I mean, with using Google Analytics, how be able to see all, I mean, behind the scenes and everything, how all the data that goes behind it. It's amazing. I'm still, I feel like there's a lot to learn, but I'm very excited. I really enjoy this class, and have given me a different insights for the web development, actually the more of the marketing business of the web development that I wanted to do on the web. And this is it. I really enjoy, and I enjoy this class, and this is a great time. Thank you.